Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you are aware that TCS has started the biggest mass off-campus hiring for the batch of 2020, 2021 and 2022. And now I know you must have a lot of queries with respect to the Ninja and digital role, and also how to register. So if you're not getting apply to drive button, then what to do? So all these things we will discuss here, and I will also show you how to register here. Okay, so please watch the video till the end, and I will answer all of your queries. So if you're not getting apply to drive option, okay, if your account is logged, if you have created two profiles, okay, so all these queries we will discuss. So before that, I just wanted to tell you friends, so TCS NQT, right? So you must be knowing about TCS NQT now. So TCS NQT is nothing but national qualifier test conducted by TCS. Okay, and this will be conducted for two roles. One will be TCS Ninja and another will be for TCS Digital. Okay, friends, they have not updated anything if there is any salary increment in the Ninja or Digital role. So as of now, Ninja you will be getting 3.36 LPA, and for Digital role you will be getting 7 LPA. Okay, there will be exam will be there. Okay, so part A and part B. So part A, if you qualify, okay, then you will have to go for part B. So if you qualify part A and if you do not qualify part B, then you will be getting Ninja role, okay, based on the interview. If you qualify part A and part B, then based on your interview, you will be getting the digital role. Okay, so the package difference is there. So there should not be any difference between TCS Ninja, TCS NQT, TCS Digital. Okay, so that should be clear. So TCS NQT national qualifier test, in under that we will be having two profiles. One will be Ninja and second will be digital. Now, so friends, Ninja or digital, so let us caliber determine with the TCS integrated test pattern. So now you know there'll be integrated test pattern will be there. So test pattern will be given here. If you'll come down here, so you can see, so test pattern already you know, I'm not going to discuss it once again. So part A will be foundation section and part B will be advanced section. Okay, mandatory for digital aspirants. Now, so your queries will be definitely answered here. Okay, so I will first answer your queries, then I will show you the registration process. Okay, from beginning till the end. So which year of the passing? So 2021 and 2020 and 2022. Now, so friends, many of you are telling, sir, I will apply using two email ID. Friends, you can only change your email ID, but you cannot change your name, you cannot change your date of birth, you cannot change your father's name, you cannot change your marks. So request you to do not apply with more than one email ID. Okay, and that is the reason many times you apply and then you say, sir, I'm not getting any response. Okay, so they are clearly telling, so you will be getting reference response only when if your application will be shortlisted. Okay, so these things has to be taken care. Now, so many of you were telling in the comment section that, sir, I have applied for the drive but not got a confirmation email. What should I do? So post applying for the drive, the status will reflect as applied for the drive. So you have to check in the next step portal and your status should be applied for the drive. They will not be sending any kind of email in your track my application. Okay, so in your track my application, you will be able to see that applied for the drive. You will not get any acknowledgement mail or confirmation mail about the same. Okay, okay, fine. So what if I already have a CTDT reference number? Do I need to register again? No. If you have already registered, if you have a CTDT number, then you do not need to register again. Please ensure you fill the application form and click on apply to drive. Click on apply to drive is very, very important. Okay, fine. So when is off-campus hiring test scheduled? So the TCS off-campus hiring test is ongoing. Students are requested to register at the earliest to be eligible for the next test batch. Then what is the TCS integrated test pattern? So the TCS integrated test pattern allows you to showcase your talent. Based on that, you will be getting Ninja or digital. And friends, you have to create the profile for under IT. Do not create a profile under BPS. Okay. Otherwise, your application will be valid for tech support job. My account is locked. How can I unlock it? So request you to directly log on to this. Click on unlock account and reset password. Link on the login screen. Okay, so login screen, if you'll see here, I could show you. So if you are going for register now, I had seen it somewhere. Okay, so we will discuss. Okay, so here login is there. So if your account is unlocked, logged, or if you have forgotten the password, then unlock account and reset password. Okay, so you have to click on the register button. Then is apply to drive mandatory? Yes, it is mandatory. If you do not click, so many of you might not be getting this apply to drive option, okay, because you would have applied recently. Okay, then in that case, what you can do is, so you can send a query to ILP. Okay, they have given the contact number here, so email address, and they have given the toll-free number. Now many of you were telling, sir, I have already applied for TCS digital last month. So if we have apply to drive button enabled in the next step portal, then you can apply now also, there is no problem. So if you have forgotten your CTDT reference ID, then what you can do is, so you have got an email from recruitment team, you would have got an email from recruitment.entrylevel@tcs.com. Upon successful registration, the reference ID would be mentioned in the same for the future queries. Okay, so we could see here, so this is the old one. Okay, so here recruitment.entrylevel@tcs.com. so if you have forgotten, then what you can do is, so you would have got an email, so you can check it out from there. Okay, now, so this is also clear. Then can I change my photo? Can I change my profile? So all those things they have given. So I already have my certificate number. I need to update my CGPA. So you can edit details by clicking edit application that they have given. I'm not able to edit full-time, part-time courses in my application form. So if you are not able to edit anything, then you need to send a mail to ILP. Okay, if you have created two profiles, then what should you do now? So only one profile needs to be created per candidate. Duplicate profile should not be created. Please write to ILP so that we will be able to delete your duplicate profile. Do not apply from two profiles. How will I know about my test schedule? So information related test will be communicated by TCS ION. So all the process has been given here, and I think this is going to give you clarity. Okay, so if you do not have apply to drive option, that means you are not eligible, or if there is any mistake, then you send an email to ILP, so it will be clear. Okay, so do not decide by yourself, or do not decide by what I say that you are eligible or not. Okay, what you can do is, so you can click on you can send a mail to ILP and they will be reverting you back, or you can try calling on the helpline number. But if we applied last month for the digital profile, and if still apply to drive option is shown, then you can go ahead and you can apply for that. Okay, now, so if you have to register, then if you are a fresher, if you have not applied earlier, then you can click on register now. So once you click on register now, then okay, then you have to select IT and BPS. Do not select for BPS. It's clearly mentioned business process services. It is kind of BPO job. Okay, and here IT means information technology. Once you click on IT, okay, then this page will open. So Mr. and first name, so and surname. So you can put your date of birth. So 21st, okay, August, and here I will be not putting my exact date of birth. Otherwise, our application will not be taken. Okay, so I will put 2000. Gender, they're giving only option of male. If somebody is female, what they should do? Okay, so this you need to check. Okay, because gender is very, very important. Then email, so info dot online study for you at gmail.com. Okay, invalid email. Why it is invalid email? Okay, so I'll do one thing. Okay, so this email ID should be valid. Okay, invalid email. Okay, I'm sorry, so gmail.com is not taken. Okay, fine. Now, so contact number, so this is official contact number. Okay, and then institute name, so you have to fill the institute name, so I'll just fill. So AMC College of Engineering. Okay, and then qualification is BTech. Okay, so you'll have to select from your Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Computer Application. For PSC it is not there. Bachelor of, where is it? Okay, so basically you need to search it. Okay, so Bachelor of Computer Science, I will put it here. Okay, then year of passing, so definitely it is for 2020 and 2021 and 22. So year of passing, I'll put 21. Nearest TCS office is Bangalore. Enter password. So just put some password. Okay. So, okay, I have put the password. A security question. So what is your pet's name? So pet name is Rocky. And your 5SXUW. Submit. So you register email ID and contact number. Okay. So thank you for registering with us. So we have got a reference number. So I'll just take one screenshot. So you will be also getting like this. Okay. So you'll have to fill a lot of details, your photos and all. So I'm just telling you the basics of that. And then click on continue. So you need to put the password what you had given. So the password is secret. Okay. Close. And then here, fine. So track my application. So in that track my application, if you'll see, so candidate is registered. Okay. And once you'll be able to apply for the drive, once you'll apply for the drive, then you'll be able to see here apply for the drive. So from here, basically track my applications, you have to track everything. Then the application form. Okay, so this is the application form. Start filling the form now. So definitely a lot of data will be there. So if I start filling, then it will take a lot of time. So personal detail. So you have to fill about yourself, then academic and work experience detail, other details, application form, preview and declaration. So you try filling it out because there are a lot of details are there. If I start filling, then it will consume a lot of time. And if you have any doubt, you can get back to me at any point of time. We will be definitely able to help you. And how to apply. So they have given each and see TCS clarity is, I mean, clarity for everything is very good. So TCS legislative portal is the first step connecting. So they have given here. So I hope this video clarifies the things which you are looking for. Thank you and all the very best for your TCS exam.